Every single month, I'm making $26,928 from Amazon affiliate marketing using free Pinterest traffic and AI. Not a one-time thing, not a lucky month, every single month. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I build this step by step so you can copy it. But before I do, I need you to hear this one thing, because most people who try Pinterest affiliate marketing, they quit, and they quit for one reason. They were doing it without AI, because without AI, Pinterest affiliate marketing is very slow. Creating pins manually takes hours. Writing SEO descriptions one by one takes forever. And by the time you built enough content to see a result, most people have already given up. Okay? And with AI, the entire game changed. I'm going to show you exactly how I use AI to create weeks of Pinterest content in one afternoon, driving free traffic to my Amazon affiliate links every single day and turning that into $26,928 a month. Okay, every single month. I already received this money in my bank account, and in this video guys, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use AI to run your Amazon affiliate marketing business. I have been doing this business for over 6 years. I know exactly what's working right now and what's not. So make sure to watch this video until the end, because if you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions. This is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard. This is summary here. As you guys can see, this is my commissions over here, and this is my bounties over here, as you guys can see. Okay, so for people who want to start making money with Amazon Associate, you guys need to join Amazon Associates. You need to create an Amazon affiliate account like this one. It's super easy and simple, and of course it's for free. Here is what you will do. You will just go to Google and search for Amazon Associate and click on the first link over here like this, and you will be in this Amazon Associate sign up page. Okay, you will click here on sign up like this. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up, and you guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, Germany, any country. Okay, just put here, you guys can see, you just need to put here your mobile number or your email address and click on continue. You will follow a few steps and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple, and once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate, with Amazon affiliate marketing. So this will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. You will see your commissions here, your summary here, your bounties over here. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to create Pinterest business account. So let me show you. You will go to Google and search for Pinterest business account and sign up using your email address. You will just follow a few steps. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and of course it's for free. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest is gold mine for affiliate marketing. First, Pinterest guys is search engine platform. It's not like TikTok, it's not like Instagram. Pinterest is a search engine platform. It's like Google and YouTube. So what you need to focus on for you as a beginner, it's your SEO. It's all about SEO. It's the keyword that you are using in your title, in your description, in your pin picture, so your pin can rank higher to keep getting your traffic for years, because it's search engine platform. So if you are making good SEO optimized content that can rank on Pinterest search results, this pins guys can keep getting you traffic for years. Of course, if you are using good SEO, and I'll show you how you can use it with AI, how we can use AI to get a good SEO for your pins. And Pinterest guys, it's getting 1 billion monthly visitors. That's a really big number. Every single day there are millions of people here. They come to Pinterest, search for products, services, topics, and so much more. Okay, and you can get so much traffic from Pinterest. Okay, so once you finish, like I said, creating your Pinterest business account, what you will do is you need to choose a good Amazon affiliate product that you will start promoting here on Pinterest. And you need to promote product that solve problems for people. You need to promote product that people are already paying for on Amazon. Okay, that's how you can make commissions. So what you will do next, pay close attention. You will go to amazon.com. Go and open your Amazon website like this, amazon.com website. And what you will do here, you will click on the search results. And this niche guys is very profitable for you as a beginner, and it's beauty niche. Okay, you guys can search here, click on the search and search for skincare product, for example like this. Let's search for skincare. This niche, guys, is very profitable because it solves a lot of problems for people, and people are paying every single day for those products on Amazon, and they are getting crazy sales on Amazon. I'll show you the proof right now. You guys can see, search for skincare, scroll down, here you go. You will find here a lot of products on Amazon about this niche. Okay, you guys can see like this one. You see this one here, over 30,000 people paid for this product just in the past month. This is the product that you need to promote. You don't need to keep guessing or choose product that you like. You will make zero commissions if you are thinking like this. You need to promote what people are already paying for on Amazon. That's it. Don't keep overthink it. Just promote product that are already getting sales. Promote product that solve problems for people. That's how you can win. Okay, you guys can see also like this one here, over 100k people paid for this product just in the past month. Look at those products, guys, they are getting crazy sales. If we scroll down, this one, over 60k people paid for this one in the past month. This one, over 100k. This is crazy. Those products, guys, are getting crazy sales, and they are very profitable. Okay, let's search for, I'm gonna search for a products also that solve a big problem, which is the product that solve a hair loss problem. So I will search for hair loss. Okay, scroll down, and here you go. Okay, you will find here, guys, a lot of product that solve this problem. Okay, you guys can see here, for example, like this one, over 5,000 people paid for this one just in the past month. We have also this one, guys, here, over 10,000 people paid for this one in the past month. This is for women that solve hair loss, that fix hair loss problem. And this one here is for a man. Okay, which is very good. So for me, I will choose this products, guys, as an example. Let's click on this one. I will choose this one. This products, guys, solve a big problem. A lot of people, they have this problem, hair loss, and this products will fix this problem. This is the kind of product that you need to promote. So you guys can see that commission, this is what I'm talking about. I'm sharing with you everything with the proof. You guys can see the category beauty, premium beauty. The commission rates, it's 10%, which is very good. Okay, it's very profitable. 10%, it's very good. Okay, so I will choose this products, guys. So I will promote this one. So what I need to do next is I need to create content. I need to create a Pinterest pin about this product. So what I will do, I will go to Pinterest. Okay, I will go back to my Pinterest business account. I will click here on home feed, and I will click on create pin. Okay, like this. I need to start with pin picture. So how we can create a pin picture? You need to use AI. So what you will do, you will go to ChatGPT and you will ask him, it's for free, you guys can use just the free version. Go to ChatGPT and ask him to give you a prompt that you will send to Google Gemini to create Pinterest viral ad pin picture to promote this Amazon product on Pinterest. And what you will do here, you will put here the description of the product that you want to promote. You will go back to this Amazon product picture, you will to this Amazon products page, sorry, and scroll down, go to about this item. Okay, and here you have description. You will copy this description like this. You will go back to ChatGPT and put your description here, and you will upload 3 images about the product that you need to promote to ChatGPT. You will go back to this Amazon products page that you are promoting, click on the picture and choose 3 pictures from here and save those pictures to your laptop. 3 pictures. You can double click on the picture, click on save image. This picture will be saved in your laptop. You will go back to ChatGPT and upload it from here. Add file. Okay, click on add file and upload the pictures about the product from your laptop. Okay, once you finish, also guys, once you put the description, put here, ask ChatGPT to use before and after style, because this style converts better in pictures. Okay, and you will just click over here, send prompt to ChatGPT, and here you go, it started analyzing the image, and this is your prompt. Google Gemini prompt create. Here you go. What we will do, we will copy this prompt like this. Okay, it's super easy. Just copy the prompt like this. Okay, copy your prompt. Let me show you. Just copy your prompt. Copy from here. And what you will do next, you will go to Google Gemini. Okay, go back to Google Gemini, guys, and click here on this icon and click on create image. Okay, choose create image and here put your prompt. Okay, exactly like this. Okay, I will delete this part. Okay, here you go. Create a Pinterest pin picture. Okay, my prompt is good. I will just click on submit. Okay, and here you go. Google Gemini will start creating your Pinterest pin picture. As you guys can see, that's exactly, guys, how you can create so much content fast with AI. Okay, you can create a lot of content done by AI. If you are using AI, you can scale your affiliate marketing business fast. Okay, here you go. This is our result. You guys can see it's very good. It's really very good before and after. Finally, love your hair again. Here you go. You have this image, this Pinterest viral ad picture. You guys can see here is the products, which is very good. Okay, so what we will do, we will just click on download. So we will download this picture, guys, to our laptop. Okay, you guys can see it started downloading the picture, and what we will do next is we will go to Pinterest to upload this picture. Okay, let's go back to Pinterest now and click over here to upload this picture. Here is our picture, which is very good. Here you go. You guys can see this result. So if you want to create, for example, like this manually, it will take you hours. It will take so much time from you. Okay, but if you are using AI, you are smart, you are using AI tools, you can create like those pictures done fast in just few seconds. You guys can see everything in this video. Okay, that's how you can scale, and you can post a lot, because the more you post, the more results you get, the more you scale your affiliate marketing business, because it's all about content. So once you upload your picture, you need a title and you need description. What I will do, I will go back to Google Gemini like this. Just use AI, be smart. Go back to Google Gemini, ask him, okay, give me SEO optimist, okay, SEO optimist, pin title and description for this pin. Just like this, just start using AI. That's it. If you want to scale your affiliate marketing business, it's very important. For me, guys, in the beginning, I was making just between $5,000 and $7,000 a month when I was doing everything manually, and I was working very hard, working hours every single day. Once I started using AI, my affiliate marketing business changed. Okay, it's scaling month over month, and I'm making more results every single month. Not just me, also my students. Okay, I do have, guys, an Amazon affiliate marketing course where I explain it everything. How you can use AI to create faceless content, how you can use AI to create short YouTube videos, to create Instagram faceless videos, to create TikTok videos, to create Facebook Reels videos, and to create any type of videos. And you can use all those. I'll show you inside the course how you can use all those social media platforms to double your traffic and double your commissions. And you can post on those all social media platforms. You can learn how you can promote your affiliate links on YouTube, on Quora, on Reddit, on Facebook, also on Instagram, on YouTube, long videos, short videos, without showing your face and without using your voice. If you want to learn more about this business, feel free to reach out to me in my email address, and I'll send you all the details. My email address is in my video description. Feel free if you want to join and start making also commissions like my students. I'll send you all the details, and you are very welcome. Okay, so what we need to do next is we need to put this title and description in our pins. So we have here an SEO optimist pin titles and description. Option 1, best for search intent. This one is good. This is option 2, best for engagement. We have option 3, best for mobile scannability, and we have a lot. You can guys test which option is working for you, double what's working, avoid what's not working. This is the pin title. Copy this pin title like this. I will go back to Pinterest and just put this pin title here. Go back to Google Gemini, pin description with hashtags, everything. Copy, go back to Pinterest and put this description here. Scroll down. What you need to do here is you need to put your Amazon affiliate link. Pay close attention. What you will do, you will go back to this Amazon product page. To get your affiliate link that you will use to earn commissions, you will click on get link, and this is your Amazon affiliate link. Copy this link, go back to Pinterest and put this link here. Okay, like this. So don't worry, we are not promoting affiliate links directly on Pinterest. I'll show you a safe way that you will use to promote this affiliate link directly on Pinterest. So just make sure to watch this video until the end. What you will do, you will scroll down, click on choose, click on board. If you have new accounts, click on create a board, and you can create multiple boards. Please in each board you need to promote one specific niche. If you want to promote skincare niche, use it in one board. If you want to promote another niche, create a new board and promote the niche that you want. Don't promote different niches in one board. If you are doing this, you will make zero commissions and you will get zero traffic. So I hope it's clear. I'm gonna choose like this one, and here you guys can put tags. Okay, they are not important. What you will focus on for you is your title and your description. Make sure you are using good keyword in your title, good keyword in your description, so your pin can rank higher. Scroll down, click on add product like this, and what you will do here, you have product tags. Click on use link, and here put the Amazon product, your Amazon affiliate link. Put your Amazon affiliate link here. Click on the search like this. So like this, you will tag products. Okay, that's how you can promote affiliate links a safe way on Pinterest. So you will see this option. Click here and enable this one, affiliate link or sponsored products. Enable this option. So like this, you are telling Pinterest that you are an affiliate marketer, and this is a safe way. This is the product that we are promoting. Click on the product so you can tag the products, and here you go. Your products will be tagged here. So this is a safe way. Also guys, inside the course you will learn how you can create also a landing page and affiliate website that you can use to promote all your affiliate links on Pinterest without getting banned and without getting any problems with Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do next, now we have tagged our products, everything looks good. I will click on publish. Just click on publish, and here you go. That's exactly how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's exactly how you can start Amazon affiliate marketing or Amazon associate using AI and free Pinterest traffic. Guys, I'm not getting commissions just from Pinterest. The best platform that are getting me a lot of commissions, they are Pinterest and YouTube. I'm getting good traffic from those two platforms because they are search engine platforms. I'm focusing on those two platforms to make good commissions because they are search engine platforms. So I just need to focus on SEO. Inside the course, I'm explaining everything from scratch. Anyway, if you want to join, like I said, if you want to take this business seriously, you want to learn more, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I'll send you all the details. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in the next one.